Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app. And I hope that you can see this special type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically this grid line should disappear. So to perform this whole operation, we have to enter the settings, which are right here. So the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and tap on the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Tap on Restore Defaults again. And as you can see, actually nothing happened, but after getting back to the keyboard, not the keyboard, the camera, first of all, you can see this permission, which you have to give, so allow, and that was the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because the device will ask you for that whenever you're opening the camera for the very first time. So that's the first evidence, and the second is right here, or actually is not here, because we cannot see the grid lines. And it again means that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.